Hello, dear community. For this video, I'd like to make some observations regarding how the results from Bildeform compare to the traditional methods used for generating Bas Relief in Blender or any similar CGI software. This conventional method, which we briefly described in a previous video, essentially involves generating a depth map from Blender and placing this depth map on a plane with multiple subdivisions, and this is the result it generates. With Bildeform, on the other hand, we get these results. And if we compare these results here, we can observe the manual result from Blender and the result from Bildeform side by side. I'd like to highlight the differences in quality between these methods. First, the generated topology is inaccurate and requires a lot of time and additional post-processing techniques. As you can see, it's not perfect, especially around the edges, which create a lot of noise. This is unacceptable when producing a professional and commercially viable bas relief. To achieve a proper result with this method, additional work in retopology, smoothing, and other adjustments is required. Without extensive experience or sufficient time, it's challenging to achieve even moderately acceptable results. And even if achieved, they won't be entirely reliable from the perspective of calculating over the 3D model that makes up the bas relief. As you can see, by using Bildeform, we obtained a notably better result. The edges and the way it integrates with the plane are nearly perfect, and the mesh topology is entirely different, with uniform quads and no artifacts. This means that post-processing time and demand are significantly reduced. Furthermore, Bildeform's intuitive and easy-to-use panel offers multiple configurations. For instance, by selecting the RGB configuration and adjusting the straight parameter to a higher value, you can achieve a result similar to that of Relief Maker. The plane and the relief integrate perfectly, generating a bas relief with professional quality suitable for commercial applications. Finally, I'd like to emphasize the advantages that Bildeform can offer, such as its excellent topology, which allows precise adjustments to the structure of the relief. Additionally, it generates edges with professional quality and captures all aspects of the model in fine detail.